Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account whose search history you want to stop, because settings apply per profile. Once signed in, open YouTube on desktop or mobile and tap your profile icon. Then navigate directly to Settings and choose History and Privacy. This is the control center for search and watch history. Make sure you're in the right account, otherwise you'll change someone else's data. Now that you're in History and Privacy, let's act on preventing future searches from saving. Once in History and Privacy, toggle off Save Search History to prevent future queries from being stored. This stops YouTube from associating new terms with your account. After disabling, tap Clear Search History to remove past searches. This erases previous suggestions and recorded queries. If you use multiple devices, make sure you repeat or verify settings on each, or confirm account sync is off. Once done, YouTube should stop saving new search terms, and suggestions will start reflecting that change across signed-in sessions. Finish by testing, perform a new search, then return to History and Privacy to confirm nothing was recorded. If searches still appear, use incognito or sign out to isolate the issue, then clear your browser or app cache and cookies and retry, because stale local data can show past suggestions. Make sure multiple Google accounts aren't signed in simultaneously. If problems persist, sign out everywhere via your Google account security settings and sign back in only on the device you configured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.